Hi, I'm Kay. Thank you so much for joining me for my wig review for Esprit by Wille in the color Bernstein Rooted. So I will talk about the fit, the color. There will be a sneaky color comparison in there as well, styling options, and so many more things. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss it. Before we start, I would like to say thank you to Mimowigs for sending me this beautiful, beautiful style so I can review her for you. And I will put all the information below so you can go ahead and buy this one if you want to. Let's start with the color Bernstein Rooted. So the color code for this one is 122619. What you have with the 12 is a light golden brown. The 26 is a golden blonde, and the 19 is a light strawberry blonde. And you have a darker root. So a very natural color, and I think it's an ideal color for us brunettes who are not quite sure if you want to be blonde or not, so you can have a little bit of a tryout, tip your toe in it type of thing. And here's that color comparison I promised you earlier. So this is the Bernstein Multi Shad from the Mimowigs collection by Wille. Similar name, but actually when you look at it, they are not necessarily the same. The color code for this one is 122627. So you have, instead of the 19, the 27, which is much more strawberry than this one. So you have a bit more of a strawberry feel and a lighter feel to this one than the Bernstein Rooted. I will obviously take both colors outside so you can see them in the natural light, but you do see the difference. This is much more of a darker brunette type color, I would say, and this one is more strawberry blonde. This is on the Stella, which I bought because I always wanted the Esprit, and because it has heat-friendly fibers, I thought I could get to something looking quite similar with the Stella, and I will put a picture up here so you can see if I achieved the goal or not. Let me know in the comments below if you think I have. So let's look at the lace front now. Gorgeous lace front. Really natural. Very nice. So they brought some of the lighter pieces to the front, but very naturally done, so it doesn't give you that white band effect. I might consider plucking it just on the side here, but that's only because I'm used to seeing on me not so much hair on the temples, so I think that's for me just what I would do. Now the part is a funny one because it has a mono part, which is here. But because it's a hand-tied cap, you can part it wherever you like, really. So that's what I've done. And I don't think you can tell that it has only got a mono top. So what you have at Esprit is a very carefree beach bob style. It's easy. It's very easy to put on. I did an unboxing video, I will link it up here, and I put it on, combed it through, and then I was done. It was that simple to put on. And, you know, I could have gone out of the door then, not a problem. So let's look at Esprit from all sides. Love these barely there waves. It does look like I spent the day on the beach. Really nice movement. Fit wise, now I'm a 21.5 inch circumference, petite average depending on which brand you're looking at. Normally Ellen Wille fits me nicely and sometimes even a little bit tight. This one fits big, really big. So I have a little bit of gapping at the back, but it's more the circumference that fits me big. I have to have it on the almost tightest setting. I probably could even cross over. And there is a little bit of extra cap. I was quite surprised, I have to admit, because normally hand-tied caps, generally speaking, smaller. So I was a bit worried that it wouldn't fit me because I had, most Ellen Wille wigs are nice and tight on me and sit lovely. So just to bear that in mind, if you were always a bit worried about Ellen Wille being too tight on you, this one might actually fit you. So let's look at the cap construction. What we have is an extended lace front, so that runs from ear tab to ear tab. You have a mono part. You have overall, the majority of the cap is hand tied. And then you have a few rows of covered wefts at the back. And we have an extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters, and here you can see how close I have to have them. I probably could close them up even more, even cross them over for it to sit properly. So it is a bigger cap than I'm used to from Ellen Wille. Little bit of stretch, but not too much, I would say. You have velvet covered ear tabs with metal stays. They are quite big, so they're from here to here. To get an idea of this color in different lights. So at the moment I was in front of a ring light, so now I'm inside the house with just natural light coming through, no artificial light. So now I'm in the conservatory, so natural light from above and the sides. So here we have Bernstein multi-shade in the conservatory. So you definitely can see that Esprit is a brown, has more of a brown tone to it. So here we have Bernstein Rooted and Bernstein multi-shade. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you again to Mimowigs for sending me this piece. Any comments, any questions, put them below. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and I hope I see you soon. Have a lovely day. Bye.